All right, we are at 424 Herringbone Way in Frederick, Maryland. Beautiful day, but a little noisy. We got a moving truck up the street. I want to take you into this beautiful new townhouse. We walk in on the lower level, and straight back is the two-car garage. We do have a room, which could be an office or a den over on this side. A couple of windows out to the street, nice big closet. And we're showing the HVAC room. Moving right along, we have a full bathroom on this level. This townhouse, by the way, is just under 2,000 square feet. Beautiful. Our big two-car garage. Let's open this guy up and we back right up to a little alleyway, but a nice big driveway. I think you could probably fit 4 cars with 2 in the garage and 2 in the driveway without a problem. Let's work our way up to the main level. And we're showing, just beautiful composite floors, little eat-in area, nice kitchen with a gas stove, big granite island. I'm gonna point away from the sunlight here. All the way back into the beautiful living room. There's a half bath on this level. And we'll pan around over here to show that we've got a nice little deck for sitting on. Microwave, pretty dark cabinets, nice side-by-side refrigerator. Good space here. It's a whole eat-in area over on this side. And again, you've got all your inputs for flat screen television over there. Let's work our way up to the 3rd floor. We have 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths up here. Fully carpeted on the upper level. The washer dryer are on this level and will be in here shortly. They're on order. They're on back order. Here's the upper hall bath, full bath. Moving along, we've got the additional 2 bedrooms here. And back down our hallway, over to the primary suite. Again, another good-sized room. And very large walk-in closet. Then we're going to step into the master bathroom. Standalone shower. Dual sinks. And of course a toilet. And that pretty much ends our tour. Hope you like it.